Hi, I'm Sandy Roth, owner of Electro Spray. Today I'm going to show you the features of our new electrostatic sprayer, including the backpack unit, the accessories it comes with, and then we'll do a demonstration of the electrostatic effect. This is our backpack electrostatic sprayer. It's about 18 inches tall, 14 inches wide, and 6 inches deep. It can be worn as a backpack, or you can carry it around with this. It weighs 7.5 pounds empty. You turn the sprayer on at the main backpack unit with these two switches. The red switch turns the main power on. The green switch turns the electrostatic feature on. You can operate the sprayer either with or without the electrostatic feature. The battery can be charged while it's still inside the unit by just plugging the battery charger there. The battery is in the back. You can pull it out easily and charge it outside the pack if you decide to. The sprayer arrives with these parts and accessories. The backpack, operator's manual. This is the main handle with the on-off switch. A holster that fits on the side of the sprayer to hold the handle. A basket, and your parts will come in this basket inside the sprayer. A long wand, which is extendable. A short wand, which is extendable. A 2-head nozzle, a 3-head brass nozzle, O-rings that create a nice tight fit with the nozzles, the strip guard, the battery charger, and this battery adapter. You'll need this battery adapter to fit on the end of the charger if you're going to charge the battery outside the sprayer. The sprayer comes with 2 extendable wands. A long wand that's about 15 inches, it extends to 30. You slide it to the size you want and tighten it. Same thing, 6 inches to about 12 inches. You can adjust it to fit the size that you need for your application. This strip guard is an extra feature we've added. It's strictly optional. You can use it with either wand. Slide it right onto the nozzle, slide it into the wand. We find it too nice for frequent on-off applications. And now for the fun part, I'm going to show the electrostatic feature. You can see this is a simple piece of ductwork. It'll demonstrate the wrapping effect very easily. You can tell inside it's dry, nothing in there. Then we take the sprayer, put it on, wrap around the unit. And you can see now that there's this nice layer of spray all the way back inside there. Thank you for watching our demonstration on our new Electro Spray unit. You can find more information at backtobusiness.com.